Today we're putting these tiny but mighty images to the test. Will they click or will they flop? Stay tuned to find out. YouTube recently added a feature for content creators that allows you to upload 3 different thumbnails to a video to test which thumbnail performs the best. This is really a great addition for creators to discover what works and what doesn't with their audience that they're making their content for. In today's video, we dive deep into the world of YouTube thumbnails. We'll explore why they're crucial for your channel's success and how testing different thumbnails can dramatically increase your views. Thumbnails are like the superheroes of the YouTube world. They're small, they're powerful, and they've got just a split second to save the day or your click-through rate. They're the first thing that viewers notice, acting as mini billboards for your videos. A compelling thumbnail can make the difference between a viewer clicking on your video or simply scrolling past it. While it is true that we as creators don't always design, create, and attach the best representation of our content through the thumbnail we post, most creators make a solid effort to make something that is eye-catching and hopefully will draw viewers to that content. With every video a creator posts, they have the opportunity to post a single thumbnail to represent the video that they have created. With the new thumbnail test and compare feature, you now have the opportunity to post 3 thumbnails. What makes this a positive thing? What we deem as the perfect thumbnail when we create it may just get overlooked by some viewers as it didn't meet what they were looking for. Take a look at this test and compare that I did for a video I recently posted. If I hadn't used this test and compare feature and uploaded 3 thumbnails, I would have missed out on the viewers that the graphic shows they preferred, which in turn would have lowered my viewer count. By using this feature during the testing period, I was able to grab those viewers as well as the ones that chose the most popular thumbnail according to the test. Now, let's get to the core of today's topic, testing thumbnails. Alright, it's time for some thumbnail magic. We've created 3 different thumbnails for the same video. Each one has its own style and strategy. Will the flashy bright colors win? Or is it all about the intriguing face making a weird expression? We'll look at a real case study where I tested multiple thumbnails for one of my videos and analyzed the impact of the video performance. After intense thumbnail battling, we've got some juicy stats to share. Which thumbnail got the most clicks? Thumbnail number 3. Which one was the underdog? Thumbnail number 2. And which seemed to be middle ground choice of more viewers? Well, that was thumbnail number 1. As you can see, thumbnail number 3 gained the highest percentages of clicks from viewers. Thumbnail number 1 was very close behind, with less than 2% dividing them. Then there's thumbnail number 2 that was almost 10% lower in clicks than the other 2. If I had originally made the decision to just post thumbnail number 2 and not any of the others, I may have been making a mistake that could have resulted in the video not getting the views it did. Using this feature, I learned that thumbnail number 3 was the most preferred by the viewers. By using the test and compare feature, I also gained the clicks of the viewers who preferred the other 2 thumbnails. Had I not done this, I would have just lost those viewers and been left with the results of whichever thumbnail that I had originally chosen to represent this content. Are there secret ingredients to the perfect thumbnail? Or is it just chaos and luck? Using the test and compare feature is a good way to narrow down that information. I want to say thanks for sticking around for our thumbnail test adventure. Remember, the best thumbnail is the one that works for you, your viewers, and your content. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and of course, keep laughing. Listen guys, we're still trying to build this channel. Our last video resulted in some more subscribers, and that is awesome. If you want to become part of the community that we're building, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, ring the little bell so you know when our videos come out. I really appreciate you joining us. I want you guys to have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.